Alright, so welcome to Indie Game Hustle. My name is Charles, and in this video, we're going to use UModeler to change the pivot of an object. And it's actually pretty easy. So let's take a look at how to do that. So I have a mesh here that I'm currently working on, and I want to change the pivot of it. So to do that, what you want to do is at the very top here in the UModeler menu bar, there's going to be an area called the 3D cursor. Now it has some instructions there, but I'm going to show you just really quickly how to use it. All right, so the first thing we want to do is select your object, click this icon here. All right, and then now we want to go into, say, the vertex tool. You can go into edge tool or the face or the polygon tool. So I'm going to go ahead and select the vertex tool. All right, so now the great part is we can just simply select where we want to pivot this, get the pivot set up. So I'm going to choose maybe somewhere at the bottom. So let's say right here. So before you select, you want to hold down Control Shift, and then you click where you want to be. And then after that, we're just going to head over to our menu here on the left, and I'm just going to go ahead and confirm the pivot. And then there you have it. Your pivot should be all set and ready to go. So I'm going ahead and get rid of this. Now, if I rotate, we're going to rotate on that pivot where we just set it. Now, let's go ahead and change it again, just to reiterate it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. I'm going to go into one of my modes. I can go into another mode, say, let's go to the vertex mode, I guess, and let's select a line or edge, and I'll go ahead and hold down Control Shift, select the edge, and now our pivot is going to be right where that edge is located there. All right, and so now all we have to do is go ahead and hit pivot, and we're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate, and so now we're pivoting right there on that edge, so that looks great. All right, and we can do one more item. Let's take an item that I wasn't playing with, and let's do something in our scene. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom over here, and let's take a look at that. So right now the pivot is set to the bottom corner here, so I want it somewhere maybe at the top in the center. So I'm going to select the item and go ahead and turn it on its, say, put it on a face tool. Face tool. I'm going to hold down the Control Shift and select. Perfect. So now I'll just go ahead and finish that up. I'm just going to hit this here. And now if I turn this off, I'm just going to go ahead and rotate. And now our item is rotating right there. Perfect. I hope that was helpful. And if you guys have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like this, feel free to click the subscribe button. I love creating videos to help people learn new things. And I do this really just hopefully to keep you encouraged throughout the process. And I do truly believe we can learn from each other. But as always, the one thing I want you to leave here with is to never give up and keep moving forward. Peace.